Today, we chase the spicy soul of Quang Nam, one bite at a time.
If it's not red here, it's not ready.
These little chilies hit fast, then linger.
Quest 1. Find the chili sauce locals swear by.
Here, you buy with a smile and a little patience. Heat is only half the story. Greens are the other half.
Simple, sharp, and unforgettable.
We're building up to the spiciest bite of the day.
First stop, Cao Lau, Hoi An's pride.
Touch the chili just enough to wake it up.
Chewy, crunchy, then the heat slides in.
Dip, don't flood. That's the rule.
She says, this jar is the real heat.
Smells sweet first, then it bites.
Next quest, the noodle bowl that loves chili the most.
Lunch in Quang Nam means Mi Quang. Not a soup, more like a saucy hug.
Crunch on top, fire underneath.
Mix first. Every bite should taste complete.
That chili hits, then the herbs cool you down.
In Hoi An, chili is always within reach.
This is the heartbeat of the heat.
No shortcuts, just time and hands.
Xin phép cho chúng tôi quay một chút được không ạ?
Always ask. This craft deserves respect.
Now, delicate bites with a spicy dip.
Soft petals, sharp heat.
The chili doesn't overpower, it brightens.
Okay, reset. Next one is bold.
Hoi An bánh mì, where chili is a choice you'll regret. Happily.
That red smear, that's the soul. Crunch. Then the slow burn.
Golden hour tastes better with chili.
Dinner starts gentle, then we add heat.
This sauce turns comfort into crave.
It's warm, fragrant, and just spicy enough. Now the night market, where spice gets louder. That chili oil sinks on the fire.
One more layer of heat because Hoi An. spicy but friendly.
Next, our hottest bowl yet.
Locals come here for warmth and that chili kick.
Start small, unless you're brave.
Steam carries the spice right to your nose.
It's soothing and spicy at the same time.
In Hoi An, chili follows you.
Even dessert time, the spice stays close.
Sweet, sour, salty, then a spark of heat.
This is the palate reset we needed.
Tomorrow's early market heat starts now. Sleep is optional.
Day 2. Time to hunt the boldest Quang Nam bite.
Good morning. Looking for the best spices. Back where the heat is born. This tiny bubble is Quang Nam magic.
It's sharp, sweet, and unbelievably fragrant.
This one is not for beginners. Bún mắm nêm. Sweet, funky, spicy, all in one bowl.
You don't sip this, you mix it.
Every strand needs that sauce.
Whoa, funk first, then chili lightning.
Add more if you want. They always let you choose your level of fire.
Hoi An isn't just streets. Quang Nam breathes out here too.
Now we see how locals keep spice in everyday meals.
That smell, củ nén, instantly Quang Nam.
This is where the fire wakes up.
Here, spice is shared, never forced.
River air, fresh herbs, and chili. This is the backdrop. Listen, bánh xèo tells you when it's ready.
This dip decides how spicy your bite becomes.
Wrap, dip, crunch, then the chili blooms.
Okay, this one has real fire.
Cái này cay lắm, nhưng mình phải cho rau thơm vào cho nó cân bằng lại. Ngon lắm.
Dạ, cảm ơn cô.
This jar is liquid courage.
One more spoon, just to be sure.
Now it's perfect. Hot, bright, and deep.
This is why Hoi An nights feel alive.
From markets to bowls, spice was the thread. Quang Nam Soul, cay, thơm, mặn.
Heat here isn't chaos, it's craft.
Cảm ơn, because this spice come from people. I'm taking home a jar of Hoi An fire.
After all that heat, this calm feels earned.
We did it. 6 spicy stops, 1 soul.
If you could only pick one Hoi An dish to eat spicy, what would it be?
Hoi An turns quiet, but the flavors stay loud. From mortar to bowl, pure Quang Nam energy. It's the spicy soul of Quang Nam.
Until then, keep it spicy.
Same town, new cravings.
One last flight, just to remember. Clean table, honest heat.
Even the menus warn you, politely.
Comment your spice level, mild, medium, or Hoi An.
See you on the next bite.
Thanks for watching.
Cô Nhi, cảm ơn cô ấy. See you next time.
Đăng ký để đi ăn tiếp nhé.
Chili plus củ nén, Quang Nam in one frame.
A quick ask goes a long way here.
Smells sweet, then sharp.
Hoi An's alleys hide the loudest flavors.
One more bowl, because the chili demands it.
Here, you choose how brave to be.
Half a spoon, perfect start.
That's this gentle heat, clean and bright.
Even the drip feels dramatic here.
A quiet table makes the spice louder.
Different bowls, one spicy thread.
When lanterns light up, hunger follows.
Nighttime is when Hoi An turns up the heat.
That last pour is the signature.
This town doesn't just feed you, it warms you.